All right, so in real life, this is what the G chord would look like. Again, we're going first string, third finger. Remember, third finger is your ring finger, so we find first string, third, okay? And then it's showing you fifth string, first finger. That's why there's a 1 in there. And then it's showing you sixth string, 1, 2, 3 frets with your second finger, which is your middle finger. And then you're going to, it should look like that. All right, and then we've got the E minor in real life application. If you see the O's, that means all these are open strings, the first 3. There's an open 6th string. And really you only need 2 fingers. You need 5th string, first finger on 5th string, and it's showing you 2nd fret. And then it says 2, which means your 2nd finger, which is your middle finger, right underneath that on 4th string, 2nd fret. And you should get that sort of a sound. Again, your thumb should be behind the neck squeezing, but that's an E minor chord. All right, and then we've got our C major chord. Again, we're not going to play the 6th string on this one. That's why there's an X there, so we don't have to worry about that. But starting from the thinnest string, we've got first string open, no fingers on first string. 2nd string, first finger, first fret. So 2nd string, first finger, first fret. And then it's showing us 3rd string is open. And then we go 4th string, 2nd fret with your 2nd finger, which again is your middle. And then it's showing 5th string, 3rd fret, 3rd finger. 1, 2, 3rd fret, 3rd finger. And then you get this. And again, this is the one where you got to kind of arch this finger out of the way of this string, or you'll kind of get that sound. So see how my finger is kind of arching out of the way? Again, that's wrong because you're going to get that sound when you get to the first. But if you arch it just the right way, you get it out of the way, and then your full chord is clear. Because what happens with beginning a lot of times is people hit this string here. It ends up sounding like that. Not what you want. You got to arch that finger out. Arch really all your fingers a little bit, and you get clear notes. All right, so we got D major, hardest of the first 4 chords. We're going to look at the chart for this. We're not going to play 6th or 5th string, so you don't have to worry about the 2 thickest strings there. 4th string is open. That's why that little O's there, right? Now we've got 3rd string, first finger. So what we're going to do is take 3rd string with our first finger, and we're going to go to 2nd fret. That's how it wants it, 1, 2. Then we've got the 2nd string, 1, 2, 3rd fret, 3rd finger. So again, your ring finger is your 3rd finger. And then we've got 1st string, 2nd fret with your 2nd finger. 1, 2. And this is D major, wants to strum from 4th string down. Because remember, there's X's on 6 and 5, and we don't want that.